What does about $490,000 buy you in the Houston area? Well, near the Heights, it can buy you a beautiful 3-story home close to central Houston. About 30 miles east near Mont Belvieu, that same budget can buy you more square footage, more than a half acre, private pool, RV parking, and a 25 by 30 foot workshop. Same price range, completely different life. And this is where people moving to Houston can make a costly mistake. They compare the houses, but they forget to compare the commute, the school district, the upkeep, and what everyday life will feel like after they move in. So today I'm showing you 2 beautiful homes at a similar price and helping you decide which version of Houston area living feels more like you. Welcome, I'm Jamie Graves with the Graves Realty Group and Epic Realty. I'm a retired teacher. I've lived in the Houston area for more than 35 years, and I raised my own kids here in the Houston suburbs. Over the last few years, I've helped over 130 families buy homes here, including clients moving from New York, California, Wisconsin, and other parts of the country. I also have friends and clients who have lived all over Houston, so I've seen how much location affects your commute, your weekends, and how you feel about your home once the excitement of moving wears off. If you're planning a move to Houston, make sure you subscribe. I share honest community comparisons, Houston relocation advice, and information that can help you avoid choosing the right house in the wrong location. I also created a free guide called Living, Moving, and Thriving in Houston, Texas. It covers Houston area communities, attractions, restaurants, and information that can help you get familiar with the area before you move. The link to get the free copy is right below. Let's start with living in Houston near the Heights. For this comparison, we're going to look at a home in the Shady Acres and Greater Houston area, priced at $495,900. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, over 2,000 square feet, a 2-car garage, and a 3-story layout on a smaller patio lot. This is a more urban style of living. Your home goes up instead of spreading across a large piece of land. You've got a bedroom and full bathroom on the first floor, the main living space on the second floor, and the primary bedrooms are on the 3rd floor. That separation may work well for you. A guest can have privacy downstairs, your kitchen and living room stay together in the middle, and then your primary suite is set on the top. But you need to be comfortable with stairs. I don't mean during the showing when everything feels new. I mean carrying groceries upstairs, going back down because you forgot your phone, and then doing that on a normal Tuesday. What you're paying here is location. You're closer to central Houston, restaurants, shopping, entertainment, and many interloop destinations. Maybe you work closer to downtown. Maybe you like meeting friends for dinner. Maybe you don't want every appointment or night out to begin with a long drive. That convenience may matter more to you than having a large yard. You also have less outdoor space to maintain. One person looks at a similar lot and thinks, I need more yard. You may look at it and think, good, I don't want to spend Saturday mowing. Now let's head about 30 miles east of downtown Houston towards Mont Belvieu. The second property has a Baytown mailing address, but it sits near the Mont Belvieu and the Barbers Hill area. It's priced at $485,000. For about $11,000 less, you're getting 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, over 2,400 square feet, and a lot that's a little over half an acre. You also have a private pool, covered patio, RV parking, and a 25 by 30 foot workshop with electricity and a half bathroom. This is a completely different type of Houston area living. Here, more of your lifestyle can happen at home. You can have family over without feeling crowded. The kids or grandkids can run around outside. You can spend summer days around the pool, cook at the patio, work on a car, or finally have room for that hobby that has taken over your garage. The home has 2 stories and the primary bedroom is downstairs, and that may matter if you want your bedroom and main living areas on the 1st floor. You still have extra bedrooms, a game room, and more space upstairs for family or guests. But more space means more to take care of. A half acre needs maintenance, and a pool needs regular care. A workshop gives you options, but it's another part of the property to manage. So don't only ask, would I love having this? Ask, would I use it enough to make the upkeep worth it? Now let's talk about the commute. Mont Belvieu is about 30 miles east of downtown Houston. If you work near Mont Belvieu, Baytown, along the I-10 corridor, or somewhere else on the east side, this location may fit your life well. If you need to drive into downtown Houston 5 days a week, test that commute during the time you'll be traveling. Don't check it late at night and decide the drive looks okay or easy. Check it on a weekday morning, check it again in the afternoon, because Houston traffic can make the same route feel completely different depending on the time of day. And if you have children, the school district may matter too. The Heights area home is in Houston ISD, while the Mont Belvieu area home is in Barbers Hill ISD. School Full boundaries can change, so always verify the district directly before buying. Now let's look beyond the purchase price. The Heights area property showed listed 2025 taxes before exemptions of $11,330. The Mont Belvieu area property showed listed in 2025 taxes before exemptions of $6,785. The Mont Belvieu area listing also showed a $500 annual HOA fee and a separate $500 special assessment. Those numbers need to be verified before buying. Two homes can have similar prices and still come with completely different monthly costs. The larger yard and pool may cost more to maintain. The Central Houston property may come with higher taxes. The listing price gets your attention. The full monthly cost affects your life, and that's important. Now picture your weekends. Near the Heights, you may go out for brunch, meet friends, shop, or attend an event in Central Houston. Near Mont Belvieu, your weekend may happen around the pool, on the patio, in the workshop, or with family gathered at your house. One place gives you more access to the city, the other gives you more access when you get home. Both homes are absolutely beautiful. Both offer a lot at this price. Neither one is better for every person. So picture a normal Tuesday. Where do you need to be? How much time do you want to spend driving? Will you use the pool in the workshop? Will you enjoy a 3-story layout? Do you want less maintenance or do you want more land? And 5 years from now, which home still fits the way you want to live? Now tell me which one fits you. Would you choose Houston living near the Heights or Mont Belvieu area living with a big yard, pool, and workshop? Comment Houston or Mont Belvieu below and tell me where you're moving from. Make sure you subscribe because I have more Houston area lifestyle comparisons and relocation videos coming. And download your free copy of my Living, Moving, and Thriving in Houston, Texas. It's my relocation guide right there through the link below. If you're trying to decide which part of Houston area fits your lifestyle, call or text me, Jamie Graves, at 713-775-2369. Tell me where you're moving from, where you need to be, your budget, and what matters most in your next home. I'll help you compare the areas and find the version of Houston living that feels right for you.